Hi, it's HowToReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy A30s. So first, go into the settings, then scroll down and find the battery settings. Wait for it to load, and here you can optimize the battery right here. Then scroll down and you have software update, and you can download and install newest version. Go back into the display, enable dark mode, lower brightness or use adaptive brightness like I have. Scroll down into the screen timeout, shorten this time to around 1 minute. Then scroll from the top to open quick settings and disable every feature that you're not currently using, such as location, Bluetooth, mobile data, and Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.